Here's the requested walk around of the 76. As stated, the bodywork's not done on this car because the original paint is intact. And while not aesthetically perfect, it's an amazing survivor. The auto adjust on this camera is messing up. There's some surface scratches. Obviously, the original owner scratched this up trying to take the door pins out without pushing the windshield forward, so that's why they're in upside down now. Questions about rain gutters. The rain gutters are perfect. No rust on the rain gutters. Oh boy, that really darkened up. Maybe I'll turn the car around and get the rear. This is where the only real rust is on the rear sill. Rear wheel wells. The jump seats weren't reupholstered. They were in really nice shape. Let's see if I can open up the... Sorry for the shaky camera. There's the rain gutter on the back. Hardtop's in really nice shape. Still has the original bumper for the swing out on the rear hinge. Again, there's the rust on the rear sill. That's essentially the only rust on this car. Rear swing out functions perfectly, as you would expect. Okay, there's the rear cross member. Haven't taken off that hitch because it's an original accessory. No work really done cosmetically to this car other than rear bumperettes and front bumper. And the reupholstery of the front two seats. There's this side of the car. You can still see the original spot welds, Toyota factory spot welds. There's no part of this car that's had repaint applied. This is all the original finish. Take a look at the... I had questions about the floorboards from a couple folks. Here's the floorboards. A little bit dirty, but zero rust. Not rust. The original carpet liner over the transmission hump. There's the functioning rear heater. Interesting tidbit about these cars: headrests were an option. And if you didn't have the headrests, you had these plugs that actually have Toyota part numbers on them. Let's see if I can get one off. One of them had a Toyota part number on it. Where is it? Maybe I'm thinking of the backing plugs for the rear brakes. Either way, that's the Toyota part. See if I can get those remade, because I have 2 of them, but I don't have 4. This one's missing those 2 plugs. Anyway, the headrest, or the headliner, thank you, that's the word I was looking for. Headliner is original. It's a little saggy. It needs reattached at some point. These are all original fasteners. I haven't had these CAD plated. I don't think this car has ever had the top off. Certainly not in the years I've owned it, because all this hardware is very original. Visors are all original. Man, that's dark. It's a very bright and sunny day here in Colorado. All right, let's get a shot of the dash. Again, all unfinished original parts. The only part that's not original is this Toyota, OEM Toyota fog light switch that I wired in with Cooler Man harnesses from Cooler Man on Mud. Let's see if I can get a reflection now. I'll go around the other side and see if I can get a better picture of that. But this is the reason I think this car is an original 47,000 mile survivor. It has the original sound deadening still. And no rust anywhere in the floorboards. And if you look up underneath, a lot of this stuff still has almost new shine to it. This door card has 2 rips in the handle area. But other than that, these are the original door cards even. So this is the side that's not facing the sun. So it's a little hard to see. I have replacements for these, but I'm not putting them on because these are the original ones and they're still in very nice shape. Chipped paint, but no rust. I Did put a new bumper on. So there's all the new tie rod ends and knuckles. No, I'm good. I'm filming. I'm filming right now. Let's see if I can pop this hood.